We have had a great fig year this year, going to have a great one if we can keep these birds from eating everything, because we have a wet spring. And of course, be sure to keep the water going, because the little figs will dry up if they don't have plenty of moisture. But we got to keep these birds from eating the figs. As you can see, they're just pecking holes in them, coming and going. You can use bird netting, which is available at some of the local nurseries, but the problem with that is if they can get on the netting and get at the figs that they can reach through the netting, they'll peck them. You might want to use some of this Grow Web or Grow Cloth or some of those types of products to weave together or fasten two together and cover those, use those, and the birds can't peck through those as well as they can the bird netting. The important thing is you got to have good recipes to do with all those figs once you get them ripened. And of course, I've got those available to you on the Ken's web page. All you got to do is dial up www.kens-tv.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there's Parsons Recipes, and you can get some of the new updated fig recipes. Or if you're not on the internet, send me a self-addressed stamped envelope to the Weekend Gardener, P.O. Box TV5, San Antonio 78299. We'll get you one of those in the mail so you can have some good fig eating, and hopefully the birds won't get everything. This is Jerry Parsons with Texas Agriculture Extension Service, the Weekend Gardener.